Here's a small parcel of low-grade mine run Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Unknown field, rules in millimetres, the material's been wetted. Going a bit closer. Okay, some of this is just nice stone, nice pattern. Like that. You could just cut it into a nice shape. It'll polish quite well, this material. Not much opal, if any, in there. Other pieces have got small seams, like this here. Something like that. It's maybe just worthwhile to cut it into a shape and polish it the way it is, rather than chase the seams. But it's one of the things with this sort of material. Boulder opal, you have to chase the seams to find the opal, and quite often that's undulating. Some of this hasn't got much colour in it. It is just being sold as practice material, something to try, see if you like cutting boulder. It's got a seam running, a seam running through here. But these close to just, these just pots, just hasn't got a lot of fire in it. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.